Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to enter split screen on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay, so all we need to do is select an app you want to use, for example YouTube and Google. You press then here, you hold the app icon and click split screen, then you select the second app you want to use. And as you can see, I can use here, no thanks. For example, here, as you can see, it works. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Goodbye.